I think for managers and executives in existing companies, they're really in a different position than your startup entrepreneur. Your startup entrepreneur can really change direction whenever they feel like it. To me, the interesting challenge is how you innovate and promote change and move large organizations towards the future. And there's a couple things I've come to conclude that are quite useful. One is the concept of R&D, research and development. Whether the manager themselves does it or they have someone else to do it for them. By that I don't mean the Pfizer, Microsoft people in white coats earning patents, but really someone who is looking around at all the possibilities and who does not have operational duties. Because I find that operational duties, what you have to do right now, always trump innovation or thinking about the future. So it's tough in today's climate to actually take someone and say, we don't want you to have operational duties, we want you to really look out around. But you know, William Gibson, the writer, once said, the future is already here. It's just not evenly distributed. And that's exactly right. It's amazing what you can learn by looking around. The second piece, besides R&D, is to identify the active elements of your organization's immune system. Just like the human body, I think any organization has developed an immune system. And like the human immune system, it's got various different actors. So you can't really look at the whole organization and say, we're not moving towards the future. Usually there's some element of the organization that's getting in the way. And it can range from lawyers. I mean, corporate lawyers rarely get fired for saying no, to salespeople. Interestingly enough, you can come up with a great new product, but salespeople like new and improved. They don't necessarily like altogether new. So those are both possible elements of the immune system. There's other parts too, but you need to sort of figure out that that is the piece that you need to work on. And then that, combined with your vision of the future, will hopefully move you forward.